With large belly in shaggy and shoddy outfit, Kathmandu wakes up in a businessman's pocket. With large belly in shaggy and shoddy outfit, Kathmandu wakes up in a businessman's pocket. Yawns with wide mouth in leader speech, and wears coat and saved secretary of Jammu Ministry. How it giggles at the richest people, rushing through the aisles of the dreams of Bangla investment. Pajero Convention and the Bankers' Night Party overwhelmed the city. Pajero Convention and the Bankers' Night Party overwhelmed the city, where newly birthday youths gave green signals for the nightclubs to casino doors, for red light areas, and for hefty ambitious plans and projects. Their dream come true just in a left-hand gesture. For them, nothing else. For them, nothing else but dollars attract and chase them. Dreams. For them, nothing else but dollars attract and chase dreams. When the sky is filled with glittering stars, when the sky is filled with glittering stars, young Kathmandu sneaks on its roof. Young Kathmandu sneaks on its roof. There it overhears the sounds of aircraft hitting the west. Those breadwinners from abroad dispatch portions of their life cutlet to their homeland for the best tea, American apple, the finest cod and oatmeal, savory lunch, chicken tandoori with imported liquors. With it, every single day, Kathmandu observes dreams return devastated in coffins, and witnesses exclusive bills tagged on everyone's chest. And it witnesses exclusive bills tagged on everyone's chest for breathing dusty air and living a polluted life. But Kathmandu makes up a businessman's mind. And swells up in mushrooming hospitals with value-added tax. After all, it's a trade of money with minds. Treaty of politics with power, compromise of nation with nationality. Certainly, each year Kathmandu speaks out each year. Every single person belonging to it is indebted to a huge overdue of its ultra-democratic